What's more fun than eating cheesy, delicious, mouth-watering pizza? Making fun things with pizza boxes. Check out these 3 cute, easy ideas your kids will love. A sturdy stovetop, a portable Tic Tac Toe Board, and marble art. First, let's learn how to make a pizza box stove. You'll need a pizza box. Of course, if you don't have a pizza box, a good piece of cardboard would work as well. Black and red construction paper. I used different colored foam as well, but you could just as easily use different colored construction paper. I just wanted a different texture. I used buttons for knobs, but you can use anything you'd like. A glue stick, scissors, and if you use something like buttons, a glue gun is handy. To make the burners, I just found a bowl the size that I wanted the burner and traced it onto the black paper. I cut out 4 circles. To make the coils, I used red construction paper. I needed a circle that was a little bit smaller than the burner. A sour cream lid worked well for me. I cut out 4 circles and then cut them again into a coil design, like a snake. Then I followed the same path that I used to cut the coil and thinned it out a little bit so that when you glued it onto the black burner, some of the burner would show, just like this. I pulled off the part that I cut and I did it to the rest of the circles. Here is a finished coil with the burner. My pizza box had writing on it that I wanted to cover up. I used a piece of foam for this part, but you can easily use construction paper. I cut the size I needed and glued it on. I made on-off buttons with different colored foam and glued them on. I used a glue gun to put the button knobs on. And with a pen, I wrote the words high, low, and medium over the buttons. I glued on the burners and the coils. And we're ready to play. Soup's on! Another fun and easy project with a small pizza box is to make a portable Tic Tac Toe Board using felt. I used a small pizza box for this project, a white and a brown piece of adhesive felt, but you can use regular felt and just glue it, and 2 pieces of regular felt that doesn't have the adhesive on the back. I measured the inside of the bottom half of the box onto the white piece of adhesive felt and cut it out. It stuck easily onto the bottom of the box. To make rows for the Tic Tac Toe board, I cut thin strips of the brown adhesive felt. I stuck the 4 strips onto the white felt. I used a quarter and traced circles on both red and green felt. I needed 5 of each color. I cut some more of the white adhesive felt and put it on the top of the box. That's where I'm going to keep my supplies when I'm not using them. Like this. Looks like red won this game. Now we can use a pizza box to make marble art. I'll show you how. You'll need a pizza box or some other box, paper to line the bottom of the box, paint, I always use washable paint, something to put the paint in like these cups, and a marble. I laid 2 pieces of paper down in the bottom of my box. I taped them together forming one long sheet and flipped the paper over so that the tape was on the back. Next, I put my first paint color into a cup and dropped the marble in it. I swished the marble around until it was completely covered with blue. I got the marble out with my finger, but you could use a spoon or tongs or something. And then I put it on top of the paper. I closed the lid, and then I began to roll it around. I did this several times until I thought I had enough blue on the drawing. I continued the process with red, and then yellow, and then I showed how you could mix colors. I mixed red and yellow to make orange. and then blue and yellow to make green. Having primary colors on hand are a great way to demonstrate how you can mix colors. This was my colorful finished product. I hope you have fun with these pizza box ideas. For a little bit of the history of pizza, check out the links on this Facebook post. Bon appetit!